Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a solar powered pool skimmer. It's made by Betta, Betta, solar powered automatic robot. So it's a pool skimmer. Cleans approximately 30 hours continuously. Battery powered, of course, and it is solar powered, which is very, very interesting. And you can just see how it's going around my pool and just picking up all the leaves and the dirt and the bugs. And it just goes by itself. It's just very, really cool, and just bumps around the whole pool and just takes its time and just does the whole thing, which is very amazing. And the only thing you have to do is you do have to empty the basket. I say when it gets full, so you have to kind of check it, and just depending on how much debris is in the pool. But I would say every maybe 5-6 hours, take a look at it, empty the little basket, and then let it go. Very, very cool. It just does its own thing on its own. Just flies, just drives around the pool, which is really nice. And it has little sensors and bumpers, and knows when it hits something, and turns and navigates and moves around, and just really has an all-in-all really smart potential of cleaning everything. I mean, you can just see how it's just scooping up the water and just picking up the debris, and that's going to save you hours of time, which is really, really important. So you can just see how it's doing that. It's really, really nice. Let's just take a walk. Let's just watch this together and see how it's just going around the whole pool. And it's just like a little boat, really cool. And it's just automatic, all autonomously just going around and just picking up debris. And it's going to keep doing this constantly until it runs out of power, roughly 30 hours. It is solar charged. You can see here is a bunch of leaves and debris. And then here it comes, just scooping around the edge of the pool. And you're going to see how it just picks up everything. See how it just goes right across. And it's really nice how it does that. So it's got a nice wide opening and just picks up all the leaves, picks up any bugs, all debris, things like that. So I definitely highly recommend something like this, a pool skimmer. It'll save you hours of your time sitting there and just picking up all the stuff off the pool, which is just, you don't want to do that. Let it do it. Let it do its job. You can see it has little rollers on the side, so it'll roll on the side. You can see how it's doing that. So it really just does a really cool job. Definitely highly recommend if you have a pool at all at home and you don't want to keep skimming it every day or every few hours. If you have a lot of leaves and trees in the area, definitely this is something you're going to need to save you hours of time and labor. So Betta is the better way to go in my book, and definitely highly recommend this pool skimming robot. Hope you enjoyed this review of my nice pool, and have a great day and keep your pool clean. Thanks for watching the review.